Thank you, Madam Chair, for calling this important hearing, and welcome Secretary Raimondo, Director Panchanothan for both being here today. Semiconductors drive our modern economy. From cell phones and cars to supercomputers and medical devices, these integrated circuits have been integrated into our daily lives. Before 2020, however, when we suddenly couldn't get enough of them, most of us probably didn't realize just how big a role these chips play. It became very quickly apparent that, in terms of economic and national security, just how dependent and vulnerable we are on semiconductors. Yes, we rely on these chips for consumer electronics and cars, but they're also in just about every...
It's a test alert. We knew it was coming.
Just tell everybody.
We already did once.
It works.
Yep.
I think your time is up, Senator.
We have an emergency in semiconductors. That's a first. I believe...
We announced it before you got here, so sorry. We should have given you some indication that that was happening.
I think our first witness is a semiconductor. You done? No.
I don't know whose device. Just shut yours off. Did you shut yours off? You have to shut it off. You have to shut it. Yeah, you have to shut it off. Okay. Somebody out there.
As I was saying,
Republicans have solutions. It's the Secure the Border Act. 30 of us have co-sponsored it. It secures the border from illegal immigrants and deadly drugs. Now, you know, when a train crashes, they often say that the engineer was asleep at the switch. Well, sleepy Joe Biden, he's been asleep at the switch, and people all across America are dying by the train loads.
I only respond when there's an emergency. Is everybody?
That's going to go up when we elect a
National wireless emergency. That's going to be going for a while.
Hitting us differently. I'm sorry.
It's not hitting my watch. Is it hitting anybody else's watch?
Yeah,
it's just a matter of time.
yeah, I mean, this one went off first. Yeah, this will probably go on for another.
All right, leader, are we all right? When does it stop? That's what they're asking over there. When does it stop? Is it over yet?
I thought it was just a House member pulling the fire alarm again. I wasn't sure. So we've talked a lot about the border crisis. If there should be a fire alarm pulled right now, it's the alarm that we are seeing on the southern border with some 11,000 illegal crossings happening every day in this country. Make no mistake, the crisis that we are witnessing is a direct result. There's cause and effect because of Joe Biden's failed open border policies. Look